Okay, let's see. We got Amber's bait. We're going to put some split rings on it, and put some hooks on it, and then we're going to try that. It's a deep dive. She says it'll go down 20 feet. We'll find out. What kind of hooks are we going to put on? Put on some serious treble hooks. That's right. Let's see, what kind of size trebles do we want? It's a big bait, so we want big trebles. Big enough? Maybe that. Ooh, that's even better. Put a couple of these guys on there. These are some huge hooks. Let's see what happens. A couple of split rings. There we go. Split ring pliers. Let's get it on. There's one on. Look at that. Man, it's going to be a big Let's go. Well, finally, there you go. That's what that looks like. Amber's bait. I'm going to try to get something on that. It's the Woodpecker Bass Baits. Let's see what happens. It's a diver.